Hello, we're doing a video on autumn leaves here, and I'm going to go over the chords for that. So we're going to go over the chords for autumn leaves, and so here we go. So as we went over last week, we have the A minor shape, the A minor 7, 6-string root. So our 5th fret, we're going to use our second string, our second finger. I'm going to skip that A, and we're just going to... Alright, so that's the A minor 7 shape. Okay. Second chord in autumn leaves is a D7 dominant 7. Now we could go up here, but we're not going to do that. We're going to go from our A minor 7 shape to our D dominant 7, which is kind of like our bar chord. So we're going to put our first finger on the 5th fret A string. We're going to put our third finger on the 7th fret D string. Now we're going to skip the D string here. We're going to put this right underneath there. See that? And we're going to get, alright, so we have our A minor 7 to our D dominant 7. So this is a 2, 5. And then our G major 7, which is our 1. So we put our first finger on the 3rd fret. E string. We're going to put our 3rd finger on our 4th fret D string. We're going to put our pinky underneath it, and we're going to sneak this guy here on our B string 3rd fret. So again, that's our 6-string root. Alright? And then we have a C major 7, and then again, instead of going all the way up here for C, we're going to use our 5th string root. So it's a lot like our dominant 7 here, but now we're going to put our first finger on 3rd fret, 5th string, A string. So we're kind of building that, but we're going to skip here. We're going to put this finger here. Here's our 7, flat 7, but now we're going to do a major 7. All right, so that's that. So then we have our F sharp diminished 7. Now that one we're going to go up to our 9th fret, and we're going to put our first finger on our 9th fret 5th string. We're going to skip a string, so we're going to skip this string, and we're going to put our second finger on our 9th string G string. We're going to take our 3rd finger and put it on our 10th fret D string. We're going to take our pinky and put it on our 10th fret B string. Alright, so that's our F sharp diminished 7. Alright, and then we have a B7 flat 13. So here's a B13. Now we just want to flat the 13. And we'll go over chord theory, what that 13 really means. I just want to give you the shapes now. So it's going to be first finger 7th fret E string, second finger 7th fret D string. Then we're going to go over here onto our 8th fret G string with our 3rd finger. We're going to put our pinky right underneath that. That's a flat 13. Here's our 13. We want a flat 13. Alright? And then we have our E minor 6th. We're going to play that right here. So our E minor 6th is going to be our second finger E string, or second finger A string, 7th fret, which is our E note. This one we're going to pull our first finger, and if we shift this, it's easier to do this, but I just want to show you. We're going to take our second finger and put it on our 5th string, our 5th fret D string, and then we're going to put our 3rd finger here, and we're going to bar these two. That's kind of a tricky one to get. Alright, so E minor 6 for 2 bars. So that is going to get you through the A section of autumn leaves, and now that I'm looking at the B section here, That starts with an F sharp diminished, goes to the B7 flat 13, which we know. So it's basically that's all the chords. That's basically all the chords for this song. So I'm going to have sheets to follow, and this will be in your Dropbox, and you'll be able to follow along with this. So any questions, give me a call. Thanks.